Hey friends, hello. Welcoming you back to our channel Game Plan Fantasy. In this video, we are going to talk about NBA next match Boston Celtics versus Milwaukee Bucks. In this video, I am going to give you some important tips about GL and many more information about the both teams as well as starting lineups and the what both teams did in practice games. I am going to tell everything in this video, so I am requesting you to see the video till the end, and please, if you like the video, please like the video and comment below. Before starting the video, I would like to tell you that if you didn't join our channel on Telegram, then please go in search bar of Telegram and put this much in your search bar. You will able to join our channel firstly, or check the link given below in description. So please go and join our Telegram channel. Final update of both the teams as well as starting lineups and final team will come only on our Telegram channel, so go and please join our Telegram channel. Both teams, Boston as well as Milwaukee Bucks, are good as each other, so there is difficult to predict the winner of this match. But I would like to tell that Milwaukee Bucks is slightly good than Boston Celtics, because in the practice games Boston Celtics lost the most of games against Milwaukee Bucks. So try to favor Milwaukee Bucks in this match. Now we are going to talk about the starting lineups of Boston Celtics team. So in point guard there is starter named as Jay Tuck. In shooting guard, Ian Smart is starting from the Boston Celtics, and in small forward there is Jay Brown. In power forward there is Jay Tatum, and in center there is D.T. starting from Boston Celtics. So this is the 5 starter from the Boston Celtics team. In this starter, Jay Tatum is very good player as well as Jay Brown is also very good player. So both are the SVP choices for this match. So there is Young Smart also great choice, but this player is not able to have as a SPPP choice. So in my opinion, these two are very good option for tomorrow's match. Now for the starters of Milwaukee Bucks team is in from point guard there is Jay Holiday starting. In shooting guard there is DiVincenzo is starting. In small forward there is K Middleton is starting for the Milwaukee Bucks, and in power forward there is Giannis is starting, and in center B Lopez is starting from the Boston Celtics team. So this is the starting fives of Boston Celtics team. So take a look at the Giannis as well as Middleton in this starting five, because both are very good player, and Giannis is the main SP choices in tomorrow match. Means he is the star player of whole NBA season. He gives the 50 point if he play for the 35 minutes. So and Giannis is my top choices from this starting lineups for the Milwaukee Bucks team. So I hope you understand the both team starting lineups. So in this match, home team is Boston Celtics and away team is Milwaukee Bucks. So we are seeing on screen that Milwaukee Bucks is slightly good than Boston Celtics, because Boston Celtics has lost many matches against Milwaukee Bucks. From last 15 matches they won only 6 matches out of total 15 and lost 11 matches for against Milwaukee Bucks. So we are able to see that Milwaukee Bucks is slightly good than Boston Celtics. So try to favor the Milwaukee Bucks in this match. Before saying you the information about the players and their forms, team's player, I would like to tell that Langford, T. Fall, Kyle Walker and D'Agostino is rested in tomorrow's match because of injury. These four will not play in tomorrow's match, so don't consider them in tomorrow's match. These four will not play tomorrow's match. Now we are seeing the records of Boston Celtics team. So in this team, Tatum, Thetis, Jay Brown and Ian Smart is starter for the Boston Celtics team. So here you can see that Tatum gets 32 minutes. There is he give 5 points, 7 rebound, 3 assists, 1 block and 2 steals he given. D Thetis played for 32 minutes. He give 13 points, 12 rebounds, 3 assists and 2 blocks. I told you yesterday that blocks and steals are very important in basketball because the per block and per steal it gives 3 points. So 3 points is very good. Now Jay Brown played for 34 minutes, gives 22 points. 20 these points means field goal, means they put a shot in a basket for 22 times. In this 3-pointer is also, 2-pointer is also. So he gives 4 rebound, 1 assist point and 1 steal. Then next record is for Jay Brown, Young Smart. Young Smart played for 32 minutes, given point 23, 4 rebound, 1 assist and 1 steal is also there for Young Smart. Next there is also good players from bench is playing for Boston Celtics. So there is first good player is B. Wanamaker. Wanamaker played for 26 minutes in practice games. He gives 14 points as well as 6 rebounds, 1 assist and 2 steals as well. Then there is next good player is G. Williams. G. Williams played for 4 minutes but there is only 1 steal he given, but he is a very good player, keep in mind. Then next good player is G. Hayward. G. Hayward is played for 34 minutes. He gives 17 points, 9 rebounds, 6 assists and 1 block is also there. So from bench player G. Hayward, B. Wanamaker, G. Williams, E. Granter is very good players. So let's talk about the time which is given to player for tomorrow's match. So first name is Jay Tatum. Jay Tatum will play for 35 or 32 minutes in tomorrow's match. Next name is D. Thetis. D. Thetis will play for 22 to 25 minutes in tomorrow's match. Then next name is Jay Brown. Jay Brown will play for 32 minutes tomorrow's match. Then next name is Yum Smart. Yum Smart will play for 32 minutes as well. Then next name is our G. Hayward. G. Hayward is play for 25 to 30 minutes in tomorrow's match. Then next name is B. Wanamaker. B. Wanamaker will play for 22 minutes or 25 minutes in tomorrow's match. Then G. Williams. G. Williams will play for 20 minutes or 22 minutes in tomorrow's match. Then Al Langford is out of game and Kyle Walker is out of the game. So every time keep in mind time is very important in basketball game. Most times given to player or most time spent in basketball field will give you the more points, and more points means victory in Dream 11. So get note for time also. Now let's take a look at Milwaukee Bucks teams. So in this team there is first name comes Giannis. Giannis is played in practice matches for 32 minutes. He gives 36 field goals as well as 15 rebounds, 7 assists, 1 block and 1 steal is also there for Giannis. This is huge record or huge points for the ESP choices. So tomorrow main choice for ESP is Giannis. Then next player is Kemi Middleton. Kemi Middleton is played for 33 minutes. He gives 18 points, 5 rebounds, 8 assists and 1 steal is also there for Kemi Middleton. Kemi Middleton also gives very good points and he is also good ESPPP choices for tomorrow's match. Then next player is B. Lopez. B. Lopez is played for 22 minutes, gives 14 points as well as 4 rebounds and 6 blocks. 6 blocks means 18 points in only rebound. Then one steal is also there. So our next player is W. Matthews, played for 27 minutes, gives 9 points and no other points he given. Then our next player is D. DiVincenzo. D. DiVincenzo is played for 27 minutes, gives 10 points, 6 rebounds are there and 3 assists are also there. So DiVincenzo also looks good in record. Then from bench player there is R. Lopez is also good. He played for only 14 minutes, gives 9 field goals, 1 rebound and 1 assist is also there. Then S. Brown is also good from bench. He played for 23 minutes, gives 3 points, 6 rebounds, 1 assist and 3 steals is also there. G. Hills is a also good player, but I don't think he will score much points in tomorrow's match. So he played for 28 minutes, gives 7 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists and 1 steal is also there. Keep him in your GL for in 1-2 he will good choice, but I don't think he will give more points, so consider him in only GL. So now let's talk about the players play in tomorrow's match, because there is a large squad given by the tens, but only 2-3 players will which play from bench. So take a look at who is playing for the in tomorrow's match. So J. Twig is a starter for the Boston Celtics. B. Force also consider you can consider him. J. Holiday is also starter for the Milwaukee Bucks. Then D. Augustine and Kyle Walker is out of the game, so don't consider them. Then P. Pritchard is also good, so you can consider this from this 4 from point guard. Only this player will play in tomorrow's match. Then next in some shooting guard there is P. Countang, D. DiVincenzo, Young Smart and C. Edward as well as T. Waters are good. So these 4 can play from in shooting guard. So consider only these 4 or 5 players in your teams. In small forward there is J. Brown, T. Craig, K. Middleton and no other choices are there. So these 3 starter from these 3 will play in tomorrow's match from small forward. Then next in power forward there is G. Guinness, J. Tatum, R. Williams. Here is also 3 choices are there. So these 3 will play in tomorrow's match. Consider only these 3 of in power forward. Here Langford is out of the score, so don't consider him. In center there is D. Tatis, B. Lopez and D. Wilson is good choices. So I think these 3 players will play in center for tomorrow's match, so only consider these 3 players. Now let's talk about our Dream 11 team. So in point guard there is J. Tug is a starter for Milwaukee Bucks and J. Holiday, but J. Holiday has so much great credit or big credit given to J. Holiday, so we can't afford this much credit, and because this player will give the not large point as compared to this credit, so let's ignore him in small leagues. So we will go with J. Tug. In shooting guard we are going with Yam Smart. Yam Smart has credit of 13 but he has also potential to give the points as same as double as their credit. So Yam Smart is a great choice from shooting guard. In small forward there is J. Brown. J. Brown has also good choice. Then K. Middleton is also good choice. Paid for 15 credit, but here K. Middleton, or I would like to tell the Milwaukee Bucks is slightly good, so we are considering K. Middleton from the shooting guard. Now here is the only choices for the SL is Genghis. Genghis is the common SP or universal SP in this match. So here our no choice is Genghis also. And Jet Atom is also good for tomorrow's match and also has SPPP choices in tomorrow's match. So consider him in your GL because Jet Atom has a potential to give 50 plus points in one match. So please try it in GL. Then our next player from center is B Lopez or D Thetis. Both are good. We are going to consider both of them. So if you have choice to choose one of them, then I think D Thetis is good for this game because the Boston Celtics he played for Boston Celtics in center from last 2-3 years. So D Thetis is a good choice from here. I am considering both of them in this match. Then for the 16 credits there are T Craig is also good choice. So consider him in small league team also because he belongs to Milwaukee Bucks team now. So Milwaukee Bucks is slightly good team. Then for the 10 credits there is D DiVincenzo is starter for Milwaukee Bucks. We'll give the because starter is most important in basketball. So because starter get the more time on field. So DiVincenzo is good for the tomorrow's match. So this is my not a permanent team because after confirm lineup I will give my team on only Telegram. So please go on Telegram and please search the Dream 11 quiz on your search bar in Telegram and or go below the description box and follow the link or copy that link from there and paste it in your search bar. You will get directly to our channel and please join our channel to have a final team as well as confirm starting lineups for this match. So in this match our SP choice is clear, that is Genghis, which is universal PP and the very good player as well. So he can give you 50 or 60 points if he played for 35 minutes. So he is a universal PP in tomorrow's match. So there is a PP choices are K Middleton, Yum Smart, D Thetis is also there for PP choices. So I am considering here K Middleton in PP choices. So my SP choices is Genghis and PP choices is K Middleton. So here that's all. We have till in this video. Then please go below in comment section and comment what you like in video or what is your point of view of this match, and please like this video and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to join the Telegram channel as well. Thank you.